Today, we will discuss Turnitin and Hicks AI. Both mostly rely on AI and NLP technology for text processing and analysis. Turnitin employs AI to find patterns that point to plagiarism and AI development, while Hicks AI uses AI to change text to avoid detection. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Hicks AI focuses on humanizing AI-generated writing, particularly with its Hicks bypass tool to avoid AI detection tools like Turnitin. It uses techniques to alter grammatical and stylistic patterns of AI text. It states that it is successful in avoiding AI detection. Turnitin is well known for its ability to identify plagiarism by comparing submitted work to a huge database of scholarly and online sources. In order to identify information that is probably produced by AI models, it has also integrated AI detection, emphasis on maintaining academic integrity and making sure that student work is unique, mostly utilized by educational establishments. All in all, although they approach the topic from different angles, both technologies are interested in the authenticity of written works. Whereas Higgs AI aims to obscure authenticity, Turnitin aims to confirm it. They're essentially dealing with very identical data and using the same technological playing field, but their goals couldn't be more different.